friends, welcome back once again to my channel, Anusri English channel. My name is Anu Mathur. Friends, this video is especially for those English learners who want to know how to do English speaking practice. Actually, I have seen there are so many English learners, they are very good at their reading, writing and listening skills. But the biggest problem is that they don't know how to speak English. They are not able to speak English. The main problem is speaking. So how to solve this problem? From my point of view, if they are facing this kind of problem, if they are struggling while speaking, so they have no practice. They are not doing enough practice as much as it is needed. Friends, I know only one thing, speaking needs speaking. I am speaking, so I will improve my English. If you are speaking, so you will improve your English. So speaking is very compulsory in order to improve your communication skill. Whenever you see others talking in English, so you are very excited to talk in English language, but you are scared. I know that. I have noticed many times that there are so many English learners, they know how to speak, but whenever you are asking like any question in English, they prefer to answer in the language they feel better. Like suppose that if you are asking like what is the time, okay, so they know how to answer what is the time, but they will simply answer 5 baje hai. They will not answer in English. So this thing has to be changed. Mindset. This thing has to be changed. If somebody asks you question in English, so anyhow try to answer in English. Friends, how to do English speaking practice? In today's video, I am going to share with you 2 methods. Okay? The one which you like, you can apply on your speaking skill. The one which you think very easy, so you can apply. Friend, the first one is that conversation. Okay? I always speak in my video that whenever you get a chance to talk in English outside of your home, so try to speak in English. If you are going your college, your office, so you meet so many people. Okay? If you get a chance, so start speaking. And I'm just sharing with you some tips. How can you start English speaking practice? Suppose that you are sitting with someone, okay, so just arise a question like what is the time? By the way, what is the time? So definitely that person will tell you the time. So you can answer. Again you can arise next question like the weather is so fine. So what do you generally in this weather? Do you love this weather? So one by one you can ask many questions and you will get answer. And thing also may happen like if you are asking questions, so the next person is not interested in answering in English, so don't worry. If he is answering in Hindi or in any language, so you can translate. Okay, you can translate. And again you can ask question in English because you are doing your English speaking practice. So you have to continue with English language. And friends, if you feel hesitation like talking to anyone outside your home, so when you are in your home, so you can even do your English speaking practice. How can you do at your home English speaking practice? Friends, you can make 5 non-living friends. Okay, you can make 5 non-living friends like you can take any mobile, any watch, any fan, okay, any vegetable, any fruit, any study material, and you can practice of your English speaking. And what things you have to practice? I am telling you what things you have to practice. Suppose that you have selected your 5 friends and you are thinking what to talk, how to talk. I am telling you what things you have to practice. Friends, since morning to evening, what things you have done, you have to share with your non-living friend. Suppose that watch is your friend, so just call your watch by any name, okay? And you can practice. Suppose that suppose that you are calling your watch by the name of Ria, okay? So you can share all the things with Ria, like hi Ria, how are you? I am doing great. I hope you are also doing great. You know what happened today when I was going to my college. On the way, I met my best friend. He was coming from somewhere, and when he saw me, he started smiling, and we met after some time, after a long time, and we both became very happy, and we talked a lot. So that's how you can practice of your speaking. Friends, you can share with your friend your habit, like what things you do, what things you love to do, okay? You can practice in past, in present, and in future, right? What things you have done since morning to evening, you will share with your non-living friend. And what's your habit, like your daily routine, you can share. When do you get up early in the morning, and what do you do after that, next thing what do you do? So likewise you can practice, and you can also share your future planning with your non-living friend. And friend, while talking to your non-living friend, you will not feel any kind of hesitation, because there is no one who is laughing at you. It is only you who is speaking and who is listening. You have to only change the place. Like if you are speaking in the place of your friend, so it is you who is speaking. So there is no one who is going to laugh at you. So this is the very best way to do your English speaking practice. Okay, friend? Actually, I have shared so many tips how to do reading practice, how to do listening practice. But in today's video, I have focused, I have to tell you how you can do your speaking practice. There are so many methods. I'm just sharing with you some method, okay? So the first one is that, like conversation, okay? Whenever you are going outside, so start talking to the people only in English, okay? And if you are not interested in talking with your like real friend, so you can make your 5 non-living friends, and you can practice of your English speaking. Friends, I was habituated to doing this thing. I was habituated to practice like this. And friends, second one is that you can put your mobile on camera mode. आप अपने मोबाइल को कैमरा मोड में रख सकते हैं और उसमें वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर सकते हैं, ओके? एंड जस्ट स्टैंड बिफोर योर मोबाइल के सामने खड़े हो जाइए. एंड what things you have to do, please listen attentively. Just take any object. Suppose that you have taken a mobile, okay? You have taken your mobile. If I had a mobile, so I could express you, like, but I have only one mobile, I have not another mobile. So I'm just giving you, let me give you example. You can take your mobile, okay? And what things you have to speak? Friends, I am telling you best way, by using WH5 formula. By using WH5 formula, you can practice of your English speaking. Like I'm just giving an example. Like you have taken mobile in your hand, okay? So you have to speak about mobile continuously 5 minutes. While speaking, don't stop. If you are not taking appropriate word of English, so you can speak that word in Hindi, and after that you can translate into English that word, okay? So how can you do practice? Friends, suppose that you have taken, I am talking about mobile, okay? So there is a mobile in your hand, so you can start speaking like what means क्या? What मतलब आपके hand में क्या है? What is in your hand? So you can speak like दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गजेट, यह एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गजेट है। व्हाट में आपको बताना होगा, दिस इज एन मोबाइल, ओके मोबाइल, आप मोबाइल के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, ओके। तो दिस इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गजेट, it helps to communicate to the people from one place to another. It helps to the people to talk to each other. This device is very useful. Can people talk while sitting at home to anyone. We can make video call, audio call, okay. सो मोबाइल इज़ वेरी यूजफुल। तो व्हाट में आप बोल सकते हैं व्हाई, यानी पीपल मोबाइल क्यों यूज करते हैं, तो व्हाई बी यूज इट, हम इसे क्यों यूज करते हैं। तो आप इसके बारे में बता सकते हैं कि इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल, बहुत उपयोगी है। इट कैन हेल्प अस इन स्टडी एज वेल, हमारे स्टडी में भी हेल्प करता है। देर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स दे टेक ऑनलाइन क्लासेज करते हैं। सो इट इज़ रियली वेरी बेनिफिशियल, बहुत ही लाभकारी है, ओके। इट डिपेंड्स ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन, ये हर एक व्यक्ति पर निर्भर करता है कि वे किस तरह से मोबाइल का यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट। फिर उसके बाद से आप व्हाट, व्हाई, फिर इसमें आप हूँ लगा के बोल सकते हैं। हूँ मतलब कौन इसे यूज कर सकता है, एनीबॉडी कैन यूज इट, कोई भी इसे यूज कर सकता है। इवन यू कैन सी मेनी चिल्ड्रेन एट योर होम, लाइक दे जस्ट वॉच कार्टून ऑन मोबाइल, दे लिसन सॉन्ग, दे प्ले गेम। सो बट यस देयर शुड बी एप्रोप्रिएट टाइम टू यूज मोबाइल यूज करने का एक एप्रोप्रिएट टाइम होना चाहिए, नॉट एनी टाइम, कभी भी मोबाइल नहीं यूज करना चाहिए। वेयर कैन यूज इट, आप इसे कहाँ यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मोबाइल आप कहीं भी नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हैं। मोबाइल यूज़ करने का आप घर में यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू योर स्कूल, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू योर कॉलेज, सो इन क्लास व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग क्लास, सो यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू यूज मोबाइल देयर, आप वहाँ मोबाइल नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं। आप वहाँ मोबाइल क्योंकि आपको डिस्टर्ब करेगा, आप क्लास नहीं ले सकते हैं। सो मोबाइल आप कहीं भी नहीं यूज कर सकते, मोबाइल आप घर पे यूज कर सकते हैं, या फिर अगर आप जहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपकी इसकी ज़रूरत होती है, वेन एवर यू आर नीडेड, जहाँ आपको इसकी ज़रूरत होती है, किसी को कॉल करनी है, तो आप वहाँ पे मोबाइल यूज कर सकते हैं, ओके। सो आप जो 5 फार्मूला मैंने बताया, आप इसे यूज करके अपनी स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। यानी व्हाट क्या है, ओके। हूँ कौन यूज कर सकता है, वेयर कहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं, व्हाई क्यों यूज करते हैं, ओके। व्हेन कब यूज किया सकता है। तो मतलब जो मैंने 5 फार्मूला शेयर किया, इसके हेल्प से आप किसी भी टॉपिक को, ऑन एनी टॉपिक यू कैन डिस्कस, you can take any mirror, you can take any fan, you can take any object, and you can speak using 5 formula like what, where, why, whom, okay, when, and likewise you can practice of your English speaking. That's how you can do your speaking practice. Okay friends, let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.